Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to install a font on Windows. So let's begin the video. Open your web browser and go to a font website like Google Font or The Font. Find the font you want to download and then click on the download button. Your fonts will be downloaded as zip file. Double click on it to open. Now you have to extract the zip file. Now open your file. Then go to the font you extracted. Double click on the font file and a preview window will appear. Click the install button at the top of the preview window. It will start installing the font. Now click on the Start menu and search for fonts. Now click on Font Settings. Search for the name of the font you just installed. If it's listed, then you are all set. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.